guys, and welcome back to Craft on My Mind. So today we are making some clear slime, and that's Indian slime. Yep guys, so cool, right? So we are gonna be adding 2 bottles of this Officemate glue, and trust me, this works the best. I've tried a million of them, and we are using 2 bottles of this, and each costs like 25 rupees, and I guess it's so like pretty good considering Indian glue brand. And now we are gonna just mix it in, and we are gonna add water. The ratio is like estimatedly 3:1, 3 parts of glue and 1 part of water. And this you have to like sprinkling some activator in, like it should lump in one area but not like over activate over there. So just like sprinkle activator, some parts of activator, and keep on mixing. If you can see, I'm like just adding it slowly by slowly, and that's the key trick here that you have to follow. And yep guys, just keep on mixing and mix. So guys, after a lot of mixing, this is gonna be formed into one part which you have to like keep on mixing. And yep, you can now play with it, but it's not like ready yet. As you can see, it's not that stretchy, but it's okay. I know it doesn't look like that good now, but trust me, after like a few days it's gonna be totally cleared up, and that's all the air bubbles that's making the clear slime look not that good. But yep, so now we're just gonna be transferring it to the container and flattening it out. Slime update day 1, it's already starting to clear up, and you can see all the evaporation that's happening there. Yep guys, almost 1 month later. Guys, it's like almost 1 month, and today just my exam ended, and here we have the slime. And I have played it in between, but I haven't like shooted or done anything. Just one clip of like one day after. And as you can see, as the slime had to clear up, there's a lot of water vapor, and the slime has like get it in the side because it was in that position. And I have used some of the slime for some different project, but I still think that this much amount will still do for our video. So as you can see, that's the slime, and as you can see, it's totally cleared. And can you hear that? And look at these guys. I love this. Guys, if you're making some clear slime in India, I 100% recommend this glue. Nothing sponsored or nothing, but just the thing is, I trust this brand for like making clear slime, and I guess it makes the best clear slime from all the clear glue slimes I've ever tested. And trust me, I've tested a lot of them. Look at this, guys. So let's just pull it, and look, that's a good pull. I totally don't want to ruin this, but I love this, guys. Look at this. The best clicks in the whole world, and I absolutely adore the slime. You can see the water vapors that are like formed. That's a lot, yeah. But you need to let it like at least set for at least about, I guess, 1 to 2 weeks, so that it will give you such an effect. And I love this, how already it looks. Of course, after 1-2 days it will start clearing up, but not that effect how much it is after so many days.